Okay, Alfresco range hoods, one take. Couple things to consider with Alfresco range hoods. We require 1.2 meters minimum from the grill of the barbecue, which is not yet in, to the lowest point of this range hood above. It's quite a bit, 1.2 meters. That's about where this product is here, maybe a little over. If we don't have that, we're not compliant, we can't install it. So one of the issues we're running into on a lot of products, clients buying certain range hoods that are maybe great products, large bodies on the product that are too tall for us to install and still achieve your 1.2 meter clearance. If we have a large bodied product, we're going to clash with the ceiling. We're not going to be able to get it high enough in order to be compliant, insured, warranted, all that sort of thing. Our workaround lately has been the Boston by Whispair. There's several reasons why this product is one of our favorites and one of our favorite brands, and why we're specifying this product for a lot of our customers lately. One is performance, second is noise. They are very, very quiet, especially with the off-board motors away from the units. The other with this particular Alfresco product is the ability to install it at the height that you require. It's quite a shallow body with external motors, so we can roll our ducting away from obstructions, hang the unit at the appropriate height to that 1.2 meters, roll our ducting away, install our ductings on the wall or roof, in this case on the roof with a twin motor setup. The only catch is we do have to box the product in. There's a stainless steel cradle available from Whispair that we can purchase if we like, or most people do a plaster finish. You can do stainless steel. We've had clients do stainless steel, timber finishes, whatever they want, stone cladding, whatever you want to do there, AI that in. Spanning it over the cooking area, so that's another consideration. A lot of products these days are mounted on the wall. They don't span very far, and the hood of the barbecue will push the smoke forward and out of the catchment area. The Whispair Boston can be hung right over the catchment area off the wall, box out accordingly, and have maximum performance by being over the smoke area. So it's quite important to not consider the range hood extraction setup last, but actually first, because whether or not you install your barbecue, your cooktop, a little bit to the left, a little bit to the right, in a lot of cases, if the cabinets aren't built yet, that won't matter to the client. However, sometimes the kitchen is completely built, the product doesn't allow for movement, there's a structural beam right in the way, we need to shift over or change the product or change the entire cabinetry. So contacting us early in the process, especially before cabinets are built, is a massive help. For product advice and installations, contact Addison Appliances.